Hello kids, today we learn alphabet. Color name light green color, red color, orange color, green color, sky blue color, blue color, light green color, A for apple, red color, B for ball, orange color, C for candy, green color, D for doll, sky blue color, E for egg, blue color, F for flower, light green color, Z for grape, red color, H for honey, orange color, I for ice cream, green color, J for joker, sky blue color, K for king, blue color, L for lion, light green color, M for mango, red color, N for net, orange color, O for orange, green color, P for parrot, sky blue color, Q for queen, blue color, R for rose, light green color, S for sheep, red color, T for tiger, orange color, U for umbrella, green color, V for van, sky blue color, W for window, blue color, X for X-ray, light green color, Y for yo-yo, red color, Z for